This house we call Bala Lompoa. Bala it means house, Lompoa it means big. So big house. Big house based for the King Palace from Goa Kingdom. Was built in 1930. After King Palace in Sombawa Fort was destroyed by the Dutch, and the last king built here for King Palace for Goa Kingdom. This palace all originally from the wood, local wood, yeah. At the time they built the Tamalate, yeah, Tamalate, special wood for Nablekas. According to their ancestor, the mythology, if many wooden under the house, more than 40 or 50 poles, it means for the high class, for royal blood. Under the 4 poles, not black class, but in the middle. In this museum, we will find everything material from Goa Kingdom in the past, like sword from the Goa Kingdom, they call Sudanga, and then the crown of the Goa Kingdom, from all the crown from the golden, and the white head heavy more than 1 kilo. And sometimes many tourists, many people come here before Idul Adha, and because in Idul Adha, from the family, they make a ritual to wash, to clean everything from the Goa Kingdom, like sword and crown. This King Palace, it was a replica from the 1936 by the government to change the King Palace in Sombawa Fort. At the time it was destroyed by the Dutch, and we never seen again the original of the Goa Kingdom. And by the government was built again in 1936. Therefore, my guests from Singapore, if you're interesting to visit Makassar, come and find me. I will guide you, go around Makassar. Thank you.
Bapak Sektur Upacara.
Anna, Dewi. Okay, now we are in the Fort Rotterdam, and we will interview the tourists in there. So, can you please ask to coming there? Come on, okay, come on.
Camera.
Oh.
Fajri.
Where do you come from?
From Holland.
Holland.
What's your name? And I have one question for you. Can you tell me about your experience in Makassar?
I like it very much because it's not so touristic, and we can see the real Indonesian tradition. So
Like a culinary food.
we went to the fish market.
Fish market?
This morning,
Oh,
yes.
This morning?
Fish
You was there?
market. So that was very nice.
Okay.
Like in my fish market.
I just wanna ask you about why you interest to come in Makassar? Why not to Bali or etc.? Why you choose in Makassar?
Because we like the vacation was not so touristic like Bali with a lot of tourists, so we can see the real Indonesia. And because we want tomorrow to the Samaraja.
Tanah Toraja.
So you first time in come here?
Yeah.
First time?
Yes.
Thank you. It's enough.
Fish market.
Question first. Where are you from?
Yes.
From Holland?
Tomorrow.
Oh yes. What do you purpose come
In the morning.
Indonesia?
Yes.
Because for holiday and traveling?
That's it?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Yes.
If you visit in the
What do
morning,
you
you
think
will
about
see
culture in
many
Indonesia?
kinds.
Yes, we saw.
There's a lot of culture because of the Christians and the Muslims. So it's nice to see how they live together. And Indonesia has a lot of beautiful nature. So you like that?
Yes, and that is, I'm sure that's very different with your culture.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because we have a really Western lifestyle. So that's a lot different than here. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Hi. I'm Rayani. I want to ask you. Can I ask you?
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay. Just now my friends asked for you, so I want to ask you. What do you think about Makassar?
It's really nice. Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah, we are happy.
Oh.
Yeah, I already saw a lot. We did fish market this morning and went to the mall this afternoon. Now we're here in Passport Rotterdam.
I think
Because there's here a lot of culture from Holland, so you want to see that.
Oh yeah, it's very good.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah, I have. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
One more. Can we have area? Yeah. Can you say like that? Can you like that? Shoot the moon. 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 Shoot the moon.